Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT from Bybit to another wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're cashing out for real-world use or transferring to another exchange, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bybit account. If you don't have one, head over to the Bybit website or app and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. This is where all your cryptocurrencies, including USDT, are listed. Look for USDT in your balance and click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, select the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, pay attention to the network you're using, like TRC20 or ERC20 for USDT, as choosing the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Before you hit confirm, Bybit will likely ask for additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable it if you haven't already. It's a game changer for protecting your assets. Once everything checks out, review the details one last time and submit the withdrawal request. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the funds should arrive in your wallet within minutes to hours, depending on the network congestion. In 2025, Bybit might have some updated features, like enhanced security protocols or faster processing, so keep an eye on their announcements. And always withdraw to a wallet you control, never to an unknown source. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.